Welcome to the introductory tutorial for UBuilder, your online solar design software where you can quickly and easily create a solar array layout. In this series of short videos, you will learn how to access and use UBuilder, plan an assembly from a variety of Unirac products and components, and generate supporting documents detailing your solar array layout. Let's begin by going to the UBuilder website. You can access it from the Unirac homepage by clicking on this link, or by typing design.unirac.com in the address bar of your browser. Click on New Project to select from a variety of solar mounting products. To find more information on each of these designs offered, please click on the link listed in the description of this video. For this tutorial, let's choose the Roof Mount RM5 system. On the Design tab, you can choose between creating your design on a blank page or on a map. Choosing Design on Map allows you to search for the client's site location with Google or Bing. With the hand tool, you can move around the map and zoom in and out using your mouse's scroll wheel. Let's take a look at the flyout menu options on the left side of the workspace. The map icon allows you to access the Location and Loads menu, where you can edit information about the project, the client's name, address, and the basic requirements of the location. The Module Selection menu allows you to define your solar modules, manufacturer and model, wattage output, and dimensions. This third icon opens the Building and Racking Options menu. Here, you can set the qualities of the roof surface like height and type, and specific qualities of the racking you are working with. Review your loading inputs and ensure that they are correct based on local conditions and jurisdiction requirements. Please note that depending on attachment products being used, elements of these menus may look different and contain different information. For example, working with the Solar Mount Flush system allows you to choose clamp styles, roof type, and other options specific to the needs of the system. Be sure to save your changes whenever anything is edited in these menus. In the next video, we will look at how to use these navigation tools to begin making a customized solar array design.